News Update.
Narito ang inyong tagapagbalita, si Mark Capuno, Jason Saludo, at Rogen Bancod.
Isa na namang mapagpalang linggo sa inyong lahat. Narito akong muli upang maghatid sa inyo ng impormasyon sa loob at labas ng ating iglesia. At ito ang LECFCC News Update.
This February, abangan natin ang pag-shoot ng klase ng second year students ng music school.
Love, Courtship, and Marriage seminar entitled Way Back. Today, February 13, at 4 in the afternoon, sa Candidate Street, 9th Avenue. Don't forget to bring your tickets.
Our morning service starts at 10 a.m. and ends at 12 noon every Sunday. Enjoy God's presence and fellowship with our co-believers. However, we recommend that you attend the 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. service every Sunday. We've got more space for you in the evening service. You're free to move, to dance, and to just express how much you love God as we all together worship Him. For the young people, the youth service is for you. 2:30 p.m. until 4 p.m. every Sunday. Every Friday, we hold our prayer meeting at 8 p.m. Itaas natin ang Panginoon sama-sama habang tayo'y tapat na nananalangin sa Kanya. It's great to spend more time with our co-believers as we study His Word. So make sure na may cell group ka ng kinabibilangan. For all the church workers, don't forget our Workers' Fellowship every first Wednesday of the month. This is a great time to have fellowship with one another. We hold our men's and women's joint fellowship every third Sunday of the month. And that's today, after our morning service. Huwag kalimutan!
Kung kayo ay may mga 1.5 empty bottles, tulad neto, huwag itapon dahil malaki ang may tutulong neto sa ating church speech. Ang LECFCC ngayon ay may proyekto na tinatawag na Kids for God's House. For more information, just upload the reality.
Love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with all your strength. See you again next week for another breathtaking and very exciting edition of LECFCC News Update. Shalom!
LECFC News Update.